Hi again everyone. Okay, I'm going to show you the tutorial for the card trick which was in my last video. If you haven't already seen that video, then click here, click the link here, and that will take you to that video. Okay, so before you perform the trick you want to have a quick setup, and that is to have the Ace of Hearts, 2 of Hearts, 3 of Hearts, 4 of Hearts, 5 of Hearts, 6 of Hearts, 7 of Hearts and 8 of Hearts in that same order at the bottom of your deck. Now once you've done that, you can perform the trick. And you start by asking spectators to pick a card. Make sure that they don't pick one of those 8 hearts at the bottom. So they choose this card here, in this case. They have a look at it without showing me what it is. In this case it's the King of Spades. You then ask them to put it on top of the deck, and you say, okay, now I'm going to lose the card by doing a few cuts, and that will obviously put your Ace of Hearts on top of their selection. So you do 2 or 3 cuts with the cards face down, and you say to them, okay, when I do these cuts, some people think that I'm just cutting in the same place so that I keep your card on top of the deck, but to prove that I'm not doing that, I'll turn the cards over and you can see the faces, and you can see that I'm cutting in different positions like that. Okay, and they don't know this, but I've stopped here because I've come to one of the cards in the setup, so that's from the Ace of Hearts up to the 8 of Hearts. So here I've got the 5 of Hearts. So basically you want to keep cutting the cards until you get one of those hearts which was in the setup on the face of the deck, because that will tell you how many cards from the top of the deck is their card. So because there's a 5 of Hearts there, I know that their selection is the 5th card from top. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th card is their selection, but they obviously don't know that. Okay, now I know the position of their card. I can do some shuffles, but keeping those top 5 cards on the top of the deck. So I go ahead, I can do some false cuts if I want, and I finish by cutting the deck, keeping the pinky break, riffling my thumb down and asking them to stop, and then picking up at the break, which will obviously return the cards in the position you want them, and the 5th card will still be their selection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th card is their selection. So it appears that you've just shuffled the cards and they've cut the cards wherever they like, basically. You now say, okay, wouldn't it be amazing if, in fact, no, you don't say that at all. I don't know what I'm on about. You say, okay, before the trick I had a prediction of where your card would end up after doing these shuffles and cuts. And here's the bit which might be a bit confusing, but you actually have 8 predictions just located in different places on your body. So I had the prediction which said that it's on top in my right pocket, the prediction that said it's the 2nd from top in my left pocket, prediction that said it was the 3rd from top in my back right pocket, 4th from top in my back left pocket, 5th from top in my right sock, 6th from top in my left sock, 7th from top in my shoe, and 8th from top in my left shoe. So you've actually got different positions with different predictions. So they obviously don't know that. They think you've just got one prediction, but because it's the 5th from top, I remembered that the bit of paper which said 5th from top is in my right sock. You don't have to do the right sock. You can just choose a place in your body where you can remember where all the positions are. So I'd take out from my right side, I'd show them, I'd say, look, here's my prediction, and it says 5th from top is your card, and then you just deal out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th card, and then their card is there. So yeah, you didn't actually just have one prediction, you had 8, so you couldn't really lose. So that's a cool trick, I think. I hope you liked it. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up, that'd be awesome. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching. See you soon. Cheers. Bye.